Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right thread for your beads and project. Pick Fireline for strength, Nymo for flexibility, or Silk for knotted finishes. Cut a length about 1.5 to 2 times your finished piece, longer thread tangles. Once cut, condition it lightly with wax or thread heaven to reduce fray and static, then thread your needle. These first steps set tension and durability, so make choices now that match bead size and final drape. Once anchored, begin your chosen stitch, ladder for fringe, peyote for flat work, or rectangle for dimensional shapes. Work one bead at a time and pull so the thread sits snugly against beads without collapsing them. Consistent tension prevents gaps and warping. Make small adjustments after every few beads. If a row loosens, go back 2 stitches, tighten, and continue. Also rotate the work occasionally to check symmetry and bead orientation as you progress through complex sections. To finish, weave the thread back through the pattern in a zigzag for at least 3 passes, then tie discrete knots if using silk or add a crimp for cable finishes. Trim close. If using synthetic thread and safe for your beads, carefully melt the tail to prevent unraveling. If the thread frays or breaks, don't undo work. Overlap the new thread by several beads and weave it in securely, then continue. This secures the piece and avoids weak spots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.